In this tutorial, I'll show you how this Royal Match hack works step by step and how you can get the free Royal Match mod menu, latest version, fully working on both iOS and Android. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to unlock all Royal Match hacks in just a few minutes. As you can see on the screen, this method gives you unlimited coins and stars, along with access to all premium features on both iOS and Android devices. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate the Royal Match mod menu, which includes powerful options such as unlimited boosters, unlimited coins, unlimited stars, all levels unlocked, free purchases, and many more hidden features that completely change how the game works. Before we start, in this tutorial, make sure your Royal Match game is updated to the latest version. This is very important for the hack to work correctly. Simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Royal Match, and check if any updates are available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. Next, in this tutorial, head down to the pinned comment below this video. There, I explain exactly how to get Royal Match++ and activate the mod menu. Follow the steps shown, and you'll see how fast and easy this method is. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.